welcome to Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. As they say, health is wealth. After some foodie delicacies, now it's time for some healthy stuff. Today I'm going to share my first impression of nutrient-wise chewable multivitamins. Talking about the company, it's an online organic store. It makes loads of natural and organic products like detox green tea, coconut oil for pulling, detox slimming tea, diet slimming drop, etc. However, today I am going to review only these chewable multivitamins which are in peppermint flavor. So guys, I have been eating multivitamins for more than a year now. Because of my pregnancy, I had some, and now post-pregnancy also I continue to have, since I used to feel too much exhausted and drained. This brand has helped me to take a mindful decision as a responsible mom that one should eat branded multivitamins rather than trusting vitamins which can be bought from any mom and pop store. Let's talk about its packaging. So this is the plastic bottle which you will get while you will buy it. A good material it has, and it's also travel friendly, and since it is small in size, so it's handbag friendly. Also, it contains 60 tablets, as you can see. Plus this is a twist in and out kind of a cap which stores your multivitamins tablets, and it's also airtight bottle, so it's good. So the price for these multivitamins is 19.95 pounds. So let me tell you about the fragrance. Since it's a peppermint flavor, so I'm guessing it will be quite of a minty, and yes, it's a kind of a minty and a herbally kind of a fragrance, though a strong one because of the peppermint, but it's a good one though. So dosage is like you should have 2 in a day, but don't exceed your dose, because exceeding may lead to some kind of a harm to you, though these are organic, but one should never exceed their medication in any kind of a medicine. Size of the tablet, let me show you. It's about 1 centimeter. As you can see, it's of 1 centimeter. This is the size of the tablet. So let me taste it, then I'll tell you about the taste of it. So guys, it's chewable, as I told you, and it's not that much hard that one cannot chew it. It's super refreshing, minty due to peppermint, and a lot stronger than I felt that it will be, and it's really a strong flavor it has because of peppermint. So let me tell you about the composition, which is at the backside of this bottle. So the composition, since it's a multivitamin tablet, so it will be having composition of vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, vitamin B12. It also provides green coffee whole bean, and it also has green tea whole leaf, which is really good, and it also has spinach powder. So guys, as you all may know that spinach is really good and it's good for hair and skin. It also it has vitamin A and K in it, and it's really good. So the composition of this tablet is like really good, having all the vitamins. And since I am in Peterborough, which is in England, here sun does not show up much, and now will be seen in April 2017. Oh my god. So nutrient wise has given me a good substitute for sun, so it's a yay. Since it's a chewable product, so one can have on the go. It's super easy to take, good for me because I always hesitate and struggle to swallow the tablets. I have it anytime I feel like. There's no particular time to take multivitamins, just take them according to the dosage. You can have them while traveling, in the office, at home, wherever you feel like. So I'm really thankful to Nutrient Wise for sending me the sample of chewable multivitamins. I will be using them for few weeks. I will be surely back with my personal and honest review on them soon. Till then, go and check out their website, which is www.nutrientwise.com. I will also give the links in the description box for their website, also for their Facebook page, also of the Instagram. So do get regular update by following them and stay tuned for product review. So friends, I hope you liked the video. Do give me a thumbs up. Also comment in the comment box that which kind of multivitamins do you use, and do not forget to subscribe my channel Foodie Mom. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.